Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. No, I haven't disappeared. I mean, I kind of did for a little bit. But this is more of a housekeeping episode than anything. No real content per se, not a specific subject. I need to say, when this comes out, not sure what day it'll be actually. If it's New Year, Happy New Year. If it's somewhere in between, then I hope you had a nice Christmas. I mean, I hope you had a nice Christmas anyway. But yeah, just been doing a bit of tidying up in here and sorting a few things out, and I thought I would touch base with you and let you know some of the things that are going to be happening next year. So we've got a bit of work to do on Emily's bike, still some things to tidy up, like the headlight brackets and such. We're going to get the Harley back on the road because that hasn't been on the road in 2021, I don't believe. We've got a load of distance to cover on the Scrambler. I want to get the BSA back on the road next year because I don't think that's been out this year either. Just lots of stuff, carry on building the engines, carry on with the projects, all of them things. But I wanted to share with you an item that I have recently received, which is in this box. So in this box, I've been desperately after a summer jacket because the Belstaff I've got is a wax cotton Belstaff, and even without the liner in it, it is quite heavy and extremely warm in the summer. And my good wife very kindly treated me to this, which is absolutely stunning. Now, I've had a sneak peek just over the box, but as you can see, it is still packed as it was. So I'll let me get out of the box and yeah, I'll rejoin you. Let's do that. And I'm back with you. So as you can see here, it is a conventional motorcycle jacket. It's extremely lightweight. It's shell, I believe it's nylon, I'll have to double check. But it's got the air vents in the sleeves here. They're also water membraned zips and ingress. The doubled over pockets, so I have looked at one of these in the shop previously. So yeah, the pockets are doubled over, so water ingress, same there, and if you can see within the sleeve, it's like a mesh liner. So we've got a mesh liner in there, nice large pockets each side. Pull this zip down. This isn't the most organised thing. Oh, that's a nice thing to see. So on my other Belstaff, the cross neck tab doesn't frame back. This one you can tuck it in. That must be an upgrade on these as a complaint on the Brooklyn. So you can see, nice inside pocket there, nice and deep. Single side inside pocket. Got the armour included in. It's the blown foam type bigger armour. I might upgrade that to D30. That make the jacket even lighter and less cumbersome, but it's one of those. But yeah, nice mesh liner. It's got the slot there to put the back protector in. I need to get one of those for it, which I don't think you can do in the Brooklyns, or at least the Brooklyns I've got. It's got a nice soft padded, what do you call that, neck liner. But the stitching is just impeccable. I really like the light brown against the black. All the buttons are nicely detailed. Just a very, very nice, very cool motorcycle jacket. So yeah, obviously make a base layer underneath it, and then use it in the winter, but I think it might be a little bit cool. But yeah, so that's the new jacket for the for summer riding. So we'll see how we get on with that in the spring months when we get there. Yeah, let me put this back in the box, and we'll continue talking about the rest of the things. There you have it, guys. That is my new motorcycle jacket for the summer months. As I said, I want to get pretty much all the bikes back on the road next year. I want to get as many miles as I can on all of them. Get out there, experience new things. I think me and Emily are going to do Ride to the Wall next year. We need to get her back out on her bike, but there's a little bit of work to do there first. Got engines to build, I've got Triumph to rebuild, C15, all the other projects is all ongoing, and yeah, I want to thank you all for your support this year. We've gained so many subscribers, been doing this just over a year, and to think that there's like 434 people subscribed to the channel as I'm filming this right now, that's just astonishing, really is. So I appreciate each and every one of you when you click like, subscribe, when you watch a video, whether you watch it and you click off. That still gives me an idea of what people like, what people don't like, and what we can do to improve the channel. There are some other projects, not necessarily my projects, but things I'm going to be involved in coming along. We've got a couple of cool ideas for different videos, get the scrambler nice and muddy, and do a few more modifications on that. But yeah, plenty to do. And the other good news, which I wanted to do in a video where I filmed a week ago or so, Luke has passed his motorcycle test. He is on the road on his big capacity motorbike, which we will do a full reveal on the next time I can get out with him. Might be some point this week, but we'll see. But yeah, other than that, guys, there's a big announcement video coming probably next or the one after, but until then, thank you for watching. I know this hasn't really been a much involved video, but it's been busy. It's been very busy. Yeah, other than that, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff as per usual, and we are still here, so take it easy, guys.